Hi everyone. I just want to give a short description and explanation about what I'm doing. This is my Wendy wheel, and when it come to me when I bought it, which is quite cheap, and it was abandoned in some sort of garage antique shop. And I found it without flyer, but it's still a very good spinning wheel anyway, so I decided to just buy it. And I actually think that I probably bought it a little bit too expensive, but anyways, it's still below $100. So when I asked the person in New Zealand to make the flyer like the original flyer that they have, it's actually quite expensive, and it's probably taking some time, and it's more that I'm impatient rather than I don't want to spend that much money. So I decided to just make one, and luckily that this wheel actually comes with this original bobbin, which initially it came with a filthy yarn on it, so I have to discard it. And it still comes with the original drive band, but I don't think it's working anymore, so I just leave it here. I'm not ready to discard it yet. And then on this side, they don't have this peg like the one on the left, so it was incomplete. So long story short, I decided to just revive it, and luckily that I met Karen from New South Wales Spinners and Knitters Guild, Spinners and Weavers Guild, and she showed me a lot of choices of flyers, and I saw the original flyer for this Wendy, and I decided to make one, and including the whorl. So initially, the original plan that it has some sort of different diameter on this part of the flyer to the end of the flyer, and I found that it's a bit complicated, so I decided to just make it according to what I think should be and what I can do. So anyways, on this side you can see that the diameter is about 1 centimeters or 10 millimeters. If you go to this part is, I think it's about only 6 millimeters. So yeah, it's very small over here. So yeah, there are some things that I did to make sure that well, anyways, I'm lazy and I don't have carpentry skill, so I decided to reduce the size from this part, which is, I put this as 8 millimeter diameters dowel, and then I sand this part so that it looked like a pencil, almost like a pencil. So if I show you, it looks like this, so the diameter is smaller. Yep. Okay, so this is my first prototype, which is using square flyer, and this is actually works just fine, but I want to try the second one, so I made a second prototype, which is, I think it's so much easier to make, and I will just show you later in my blog on how to make it. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, so I'll see you later in my blog, and I'll give you the link of my blog on how to make this DIY flyer for Wendy wheel. Thank you. I hope it's going to be useful for you if you're making a flyer for Wendy or any kind of flyer. Yeah, see you later. Bye.